you can see that this is a triangular board which indicates that school ahead, and the side of this particular part is A, and A, and this is the shape of equilateral triangle. So first of all here you will write here, let AB equal to A, BC equal to again A, and CA equal to once again A. Now dear, you will find first of all S. S means semi-perimeter. That is A plus A and divide by 2. So this is dear 3A divided by 2. This is the semi-perimeter. And dear, you know that by Heron's formula, that is area of triangle ABC. This is just like that, under root S minus A, S minus B. तो यहाँ पे आप इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं, S minus AB, S minus BC, and S minus CA. So dear, the value of S you have find already. This is 3A by 2. So you will put here 3A by 2 and S again 3A by 2 minus AB. AB means it is A. And once again 3A by 2 minus BC. BC means again A. And 3A by 2 minus CA is also A. So dear, if you take the LCM, so it will just come here 2A. 3A minus 2A, only A. So you can write it as in the next step, that is 3A by 2 into A by 2. Again this is the same, so you will get A by 2. This is once again same, so you will write A by 2. So how many A there? A square, and A cube, and A raised to the power of 4. And if you take the square root of A raised to the power of 4, then what you will get? A raised to the power of 2. Keep in your mind, or remember it always, that in the square root, the exponents or power just becomes half of the given number of powers. जितनी पावर्स दे रखी हैं वो ठीक हाफ हो जाती हैं. जैसे अगर मैं पूछूं व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ a raised to the power of 6, then half of 6 is 3. Yes sir, a cube. If I ask you question, what is the square root of a raised to the power of 16? Sir, a raised to the power of 8. Yes, of course. So here first of all you can write just like that. It is 3 and then 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 3 by 16 and A raised to the power of 4. And if you take the square root of these expression, then you will get A square and square root of 16, 4. So you will write here 4, and this is prime number. You don't know the square root of under root 3. So you will write here only 3. That is here, you can finally you will write it as under root 3 by 4. And A, this is the side of this particular part, that is triangle. So you can write that side square. And since here this is the area, so you will write the unit of area as square units. Square units, because the measurement is not given in the units, so you will write the area of this particular board is under root 3 by 4 side square square units. But question is not complete here. Question says that if the perimeter of triangle is this board is 180 centimeter, then what is the area? What is the side? तो side पूछ रखी है आपसे, side क्या? So dear, you know very well that 2s is the perimeter. 2s, this is the perimeter. And perimeter is given that 180 centimeter. So dear, s equal to, can you find? Yes dear, 180 divided by 2, that is 90 centimeter. Now you can find the side of square. So dear, this is the perimeter, and question says that, yes dear, now you put the value of this s in this place. So dear, now 90 equal to 3a by 2. Transpose this 2 into the left hand side and 3 also into the left hand side. So you will get a equal to 90 into 2 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 is 9 and 1 0. 32 ja 60 means a equal to 60. Now you put this value in here. Therefore, area of board, triangular board, this is a triangular board. It is here under root 3 by 4 into a square. A is 60. So 60 into 60 you can write 2 times. And now you will write here centimeter square, because unit is given centimeter. So dear, 4 30 कर ले, and again this is 30. 2 से कैंसिल कर दिया, 2 2 जा 4, ओके 15 बाद में यहाँ से आप मल्टीप्लाई आसानी से कर पाओगे. सो दिस डियर जस्ट अंडर रूट 3, हाँ इसको पूरा कैंसिल कर लिया तो 15 नहीं 30 ही रहेगा. 3 3 जा 9 and 00 and root 3 same to same. So you will write 900 under root 3 square centimeter, and here this is the answer of this question. You will write here a equal to 120 meter, b equal to 122 meter, and c equal to 22 meter. अगर देखिए, अगर हम डायग्राम के हिसाब से चले तो a के सामने का जो साइड होता है जस्ट अपोजिट वर्टेक्स a, दिस इज स्मॉल a, ये आपका स्मॉल a हो जाएगा. लेकिन हम ये आपको कंफ्यूजन में नहीं डालना चाहते. You will write a equal to any value because a is not defined in this question. यहाँ पे ये डिफाइंड नहीं है कि a का वैल्यू क्या है, b का वैल्यू क्या है, c का वैल्यू क्या है. So dear, you will write any value of a, any value of b, any value of c. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, no need to write these things. You will only assume at a equal to this, b equal to this, and c equal to 22 meter. Now s equal to a plus b plus c and divide by 2. So dear, this is 120 meter plus 122 meter plus 22 meter only. So dear, 22 and 22 do
264.
पक्का 264. The total of this one is, and divide by 2 meter only. So dear, this is 160.
132, but 32.
132. This is the half of this 132 meter. Okay. After that, when you find s, then you will go just for the using of Heron's formula. So by Heron's formula, there you know that area of triangle equal to under root s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Okay, so now put the values here. S is 132 and s minus 132 minus 120 and 132 minus 122 and last 132 minus 22. So on simplifying it, what you will get? Okay, so you will get here just like that. It is 132 and this is only 12 and here is only you will get 10. After that you will get here 132 minus 22, 110. Now no need to multiply it.
Yes, sir.
You will find here square root only. So you will make the pair of the numbers by the prime factorization. आप फैक्टराइजेशन कर लीजिए तो देखिए यहाँ पे 132 को आप लिख सकते हो 11 into 12. 11 into 12 means 132. तो आप देखिए इसे हम लिखेंगे this equal to just 100 means 11 into 12 and 12 is same to same. This 10 is also same to same and 110 is written as 11 into 10 because 11 10 is 110. So dear, you can see that this is the first pair of 11 and this is the second pair of 12 and this is the third pair of 10. So you will take only one number out of this pair. इस पेयर में से एक एक नंबर आप ले लीजिए. It is here 11 into 12 into 10. Sorry, you will not write here square root. अब square root नहीं लिखना है. आपने एक पेयर इसमें से ले लिया. So you will write here 11 into 12 into 10. And again you can write this is 11 into 12 means 132. And 10 means here 10. So you will write 1322 meters square. This is the area of this triangular part. But here, rent of per year. Rent for 1 year,
Equal to 5,000.
but per meter square. Per meter square equal to rupees 5,000. ये आपका 5,000 अमाउंट है. For rent for 3 months and how many? 1320 meters square equal to this is rupees 5,000 divided by 12. 12 से क्यों डिवाइड किया? Because 1 year equal to 12 months and into 3 and area of the that is 1320 only. So now on by calculation 12 से तो ये cancel ही होगा 11 and 0 because here you know that 1322 this is the you will get for the factor 11 into 12 into 10. So 12 is cancelled out. 11 into 10 means 110. Okay, and 3 into 11. Otherwise 5 into 3 means 15 and 3 0, and again here 1 10 0. So total amount is you will get, that is how many 0 total? 4 0. 1 2 3 4, and 11 5s are 55. Now carry is 5, and 11 banja 11, and carry 5 16. So here total amount is this one. So this is the answer of this question. तो इस तरह से हम किसी भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर आसानी से फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है.